Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen limitations of forecasting and techniques of forecasting. Today, we are going to learn nature and techniques of decision making. So let's start with the new topic, nature and techniques of decision making. Meaning of decision making. Decision making is one of the most important functions of management. It means choosing one alternative from available so many. It is based on the mental ability of the manager. Manager who can take proper and timely decision to be a good manager. The decision making is the basic key to all managerial activities. It is the process of choosing the best possible alternative among many to achieve organizational objectives. The definition of decision making. Decision is an act of choice. The executive reaches a conclusion about what must not be done in a given situation. It is a point at which plans, policies, and objectives are translated into action. Decision making is a process of selection from set of alternative courses in action. According to George R. Terry's definition, decision making is the selection based on some criteria from two or more possible alternatives. In this slide, now we will discuss nature or characteristics of decision making. The following are some of the important features of decision making. The first point is process. It is a process of searching and selecting the best course of action among different alternatives. Thereafter, next point is commitment. Decision making involves a commitment to action and resources. Next point is existence of alternatives. The purpose of decision making is to select the best alternative can significantly contribute to the organizational goals. Thereafter, next point is intellectual and logical process. It is an intellectual and logical process. It requires deep understanding, creativity, and imagination. Next point is rationality. It is another characteristic of decision making. It is affected by the values of human beings. Generally, people cannot achieve complete in decision making. Next point is environmental influence. Every organization works in its internal and external environment. The decision making process it changes in environmental conditions. Thereafter, next point is pervasive activity. Every manager at all levels has to take decision to his field of work. It is a function of management. Thereafter, next point is purposeful. Decision making aims to achieve the objectives in a given situation. And next is ascertainment of choice. It is the end process preceded and reasoning. And the last nature and characteristic of decision making is decision making. It is a focal point at which plans, policies, and objectives are translated into concrete action. So, these were the various nature of decision making. In this slide, now we will discuss techniques of decision making. Following are some important techniques for decision making. The first techniques of decision making is experience or judgment. Decision should be based on personal experience or even competitors. Many issues call for decision may be similar decision taken in the past. Next point is intuition. It includes guesswork and common sense views based on quick insight. Previous experience and training also contribute a lot this regards. It is based only on inspiration or subjective and cannot be objective. Thereafter, next point is facts. A decision should be based on facts because too much upon experience leads to decisions. It is contribute the subject element in the decision and experience. It is historical support to it. It an objective basis and into a particular situation. Thereafter, next point is habits. Their established habits, managers try to solve routine and repetitive problems. These techniques require effort in making decisions. The problem arises, it is solved without any process. The technique is useful for making decision, routine, and repetitive problems. The last techniques of decision making is standing plans and procedure. These plans and procedure, such as policies, rules, methods, and so on. It has techniques of decision making. They give standing, answer to questions or problems, can guide decisions. So, these were the various techniques of decision making. Thank you.